day I interviewed, I thought this place is gonna rock. Because what we do is highly unique.
We go above and beyond what normal people won't do. We put tracks in mud, that's what we do, and we're pretty damn good at it.
I've been working for Camso for 20 plus years. You know, I have a sense of pride saying that my product that I helped build along with my team is going on a unit to a customer that's well known and well respected in the community and in the world.
I'd say it's pretty cool to be able to drive around different parts of Iowa and actually see what we've created here and know that you were a part of actually building that here at Camso.
I think what attracts people to come work here is the environment you work in. You know, a clean environment is a safe environment. We have a lot of the newest technology, the newest tools.
Quality product, great people.
I see opportunity to go to the level of growth that we never dream of. And a company like Camso can help us to achieve that dream.
Camso really care about their employees and help out when it's needed.
So it's really good to know you can have a family life as well as keep a steady workflow.
That's family right there. And family looks out for family. And if you want to work at a place like that, I'd say work here.
The sky's the limit. We're growing so much right now that if you name a position, it's going to be available.
My name is Brian, and welcome to the team.
I'm Jake, and welcome to Camso.
Hi, I'm Nick. Welcome to the team.
My name is Rick Hardorf. Welcome to Camso.
I'm Joe Hollister. Welcome to the team.
Hi, I'm Mike. Welcome to Camso.
I'm Lena, and welcome to the team.
And my name is Patrick Fortin, and welcome to the team.
My name is Doug Schumacher. Welcome to the Camso team.